Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add your own font in Canva without Pro. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to any font generator or logo design website. These tools allow you to type text using a wide variety of custom fonts that are not available in Canva. Once you're on the website, type your desired text and choose the custom font you want to use. You can also adjust the size, spacing, or color depending on the tool you're using. After customizing your text, download it as a PNG file. Make sure to select a transparent background option so it blends perfectly into your Canva design. Now, open Canva and go to the Upload section. Upload the PNG file that you just downloaded. Drag and drop the uploaded image onto your canvas. You can now use it just like any other design element in Canva. Resize, reposition, and align the text image according to your design. And that's how you can use custom fonts in Canva for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Thanks for watching.